Hello, Christy. So Christy is our client of the product listing of docs. My first question about the product and about your problem you had when you came to us. So yeah, which problem you wanted to solve and what's your idea of the app?
Perfect. So when we came to you, we were looking for something for people like us as admins that didn't have a lot of technical knowledge around building applications. What we were looking for is a way to promote a rescue organization and dogs that were adoptable or available for foster care in Dominican Republic, where they have a lot of challenges with overpopulation of animals. So what we wanted to do was have something easy from our phones or computer for those people who don't use their phones, be able to put up a picture, a biography, and have a filter system of being able to, for people that go to our site, to find the proper dog that they're looking for. So they, based on their breed, size, sex, whether they've been vaccinated, all of those criteria. And we wanted to be able to make changes on the go and change the information about the dog or add new dogs and delete them without having to go into something like WordPress and actually modify a website. So that was what our need was. And we really loved being able to sit down with Alexander at the beginning and state, this is our need. This is how I think we can solve it. What are you able to do to help us solve that? And it was really nice having you go through and create an actual flow chart that while we were on the call and the Zoom, you're able to show us with pictures and lines everywhere of like what the flow would be for the user and how we would change it. At one point, we reached a point where our budget was too big and we were able to separate with you, okay, what are the immediate needs as a foundational? What do we have to have? And then as we grow with that, what can we do as phase one and maybe phase two to split those costs? Because everything that we bring in for money and donations goes to the animals. We don't get paid anything. We do this for the love of animals. So it was nice to be able to kind of take some of those other features and just push them off until we were really comfortable using the initial application.
Cool, thanks. So, and you have the dog shelter, right? So it's like organization which helps dogs to find their owners, right?
Yeah, so we have dogs that have been left in the streets or thrown in a garbage bag and thrown in a bin on the side of the road. It's just very sad. Different cultures and countries have different issues financially and also like relationships with animals. So for us coming in, we wanted to be able to take those animals, find a way to give them care, but quickly get them into the homes of people that can care for them for their lifetime. Alongside of that comes veterinary costs or dogs that are hit by cars or like all of these things that have broken limbs that need care. Well, that needs to be funded by people that are kind enough to make a donation. So having the site is really important for us to get the word out about our organization and actually make it more financially feasible to help more animals and to rehome them.
Yeah, you have a very good idea and project and approach. Yeah. When we started, I just my of the feeling was to help to like your organization and dogs because I personally very like dogs and like pets at all. So yeah,
Thank you.
and like yeah, and next question. So just general question. So I was satisfied with the final result of the product, and did it meet your requirements?
So what we initially asked for definitely meets our needs for that. What we realized after the fact is that we need to create some more structure around the application, which was simply a one-page landing page. So that's something that we can do with your support, or if we wanted to do that on our own. But initially what we can have is something that I can stand there at a market stall or someone I meet on the street who's asking how they can contribute to the organization. I can just WhatsApp them or send them a link that they can click on and they can see all the dogs and how to donate. And so it definitely met our needs for getting specific links out to people to see how they can help.
Okay, cool. And next question about the timeline. So, yeah, did you satisfied with the have you satisfied with the timeline and yeah, with the time frames of the project? So,
Yes, initially we were looking for a faster turnaround, but then when we started going back and forth and we saw that there were some items that we might need to reconfigure, I think that added additional time to the project. But in the end, it was what we came out with was a great timeline to have everything completed the way we needed it to.
what's your like next plans? You said like you want to create like landing page, right? And you just want to like launch it for users for people who can donate or who wants to adopt dogs, right?
Yeah, well, I think the landing page will allow us to have, when people go in, we'll have a little bit of a mission statement with some pictures of the dogs at the top. Then we'll have the application, which is how to find the right dog for you, which is where we put in what you created. And then some other things we realized we needed were how to promote an event. So if we have a community event, if we wanted to do something around how to become a volunteer. So we just needed a little bit more information to make it a more comprehensive page. So we're just going to create that and have the app basically right at the top underneath the header for people to find their dog and make a donation.
Yeah, hope you will have more people using this app and donate and adopt dogs. So
Thank you.
yeah, in the future. And also, I will show like right after this recording the flow of the app, and I want to attach link to the app, and maybe some of the viewers they can just go under the video and donate something or maybe adopt. But I don't think that's
yes, please, that would be amazing.
yeah, I don't know, like if we'll have users from Dominican Republic, but you can like who can adopt dogs? So like where the person should live? So like only in Dominican Republic or other countries too?
Definitely other countries. There's a bit of a process no matter where you live. So we just need to figure out where you live, which dog you're interested in, and then Marie and myself will work with you to get that dog to you. Just making sure that we're filling out all of the requirements that your country that you're receiving the dog in. The other thing is all of your donations go to the animals. So if you have an opportunity to make a monthly donation or a one-time donation, you can actually see which dog you would like to make the donation to or just to the organization. And that can be done through PayPal in any country. So yeah, that would be fantastic. Thank you so much for offering to do that.
Yeah, no problem. So yeah, in the app you can donate it. You can subscribe to like monthly donation. You can donate one time, or you can buy toys for pets. So like dog food or like toys for dogs, and yeah, and you will help the organization, I think.
Yes, definitely, because there's lots of animals to feed. Thank you.
Yeah. How many dogs do you have now?
At the moment, we have 31 dogs. 5 of those are little puppies that were left in the street. And then we have some dogs that have trouble walking. We've got one dog that needs insulin injections because its pancreas isn't working. There's a whole variety, plus 12 cats. So we're definitely in need of any support that anyone is able to give us.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, thank you for this call
Thank you.
and for time. Yeah, just donate it under this video and help these amazing guys to to lead this organization and say like give food and comfortable conditions for dogs.
Thank you, and thank you so much for all your help.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Alex, the founder of Some Days MVP and Hi No Code. And here I want to show you our created app for dog shelter. So the first screen we have the list of the dogs. So you can go to each dog. So by the way, we are in the guest site, so we're in the guest mode. We can go inside the dog and see the information about the dog. And here we can buy dog food. And to this action I need to register, so let's go and register. So create the password, confirm the password, and then I've registered. So now I can go to each dog and go to the page where I can buy food or toys. Let's go to the dog food. So I just tap buy, and now we have the payment where I can go through the process and buy this dog food. But I won't do it by myself. You can try it by yourself. I just will attach the link, and you can help to this amazing organization and dogs from this organization. So let's go to another dog. I also can here donate the amount. Like I can subscribe monthly for donation. I can just pay once with PayPal or credit card. So in fact, if I want to set my monthly donation, I, for example, can choose $1, tap donate, and I just will go to the Stripe checkout and enter my data, and I will pay each month for the donation. So here I can also make like donation, one-time donation with for example, pay $10, so the same logic, and I can go to PayPal also, so just like PayPal link. So then I can adopt dogs, and this is like the main function, the main feature. So I can adopt this dog. I just need to fill in my data. Okay, can be yeah, I need to fill in my data, Then house type apartments, Alex. Okay, I had them before. And about you, I'm the best dog. I just tap adopt, and then I will see this, like the admin will see this request in the admin panel. Okay, now it's either. Yeah. Also, I can check the gender. For example, here's a list of 2 boys. So let's also check the admin panel. So in fact, we can log out and then go to doc and the admin profile. Okay, we'll tap one more time. And now I can add docs. So now I can go to the adoption page and add some docs here. So enter name, breed, and just fill in all parameters. I want to do it now because it's like now in live. So, and what else I can do that? So I can also add toys. Let's add toy here. Hotel toy. Let's add the price. The best hotel. And a little bit toy targets for dogs. For example, this one. So now we just added our hotel toy, and I can buy this toy for $1. Also we have if we just reset our filters, we have the adoption request here, and here we can accept or decline this request. So if I will accept the request, then I can again log out this account, and then log in my previous account. So just test 105. Okay, I finally just signed in my email, and I have my requests, and as you see, my request is accepted and waiting.